Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add several options to your products on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, you can add different options or variants of your products on your store. For example, if you're selling a hat, you can make a hat in different colors. Same goes for shirts or for any other product that you might have. You can add different variants of the same product and have them under the same product sort of window so that people won't need to search for different products and they can order different variants from the same product page. Now, the way that you do this is you go into your products menu and search for the products you want to add variants for. Now, as you can see, I only have these example products which I've uploaded or imported through the sample CSV file that Shopify provides for you to test if everything is working perfectly. So for example, let's choose this t-shirt. As you can see, this is a green t-shirt, just like that. And you have the variants tab right under your main info tab. As you can see, you have only one variant, or I have only one variant here. And there are other variants depending on size, as you can see here. But you can also add other options to your variants like so. You can add color options. So you can add a color. So for example, brown, bronze, and blue. Why not? Click done, and now you have options for that. You also have this sample title over here. At least I do, because I use the CSV. You can add other options such as targeted genders. You can add a target gender, which I'm going to just choose male and female. Click done. And now you can add variants like that, and you can click on add variant again. Just let me click save because I need to for some reason. So once I save, I'll try and add a variant. And once that's saved, if I click on add a variant, as you can see, you can create a new title, select the color, select the target gender, add the image, change the pricing, customize the pricing, track the quantity in the inventory, and choose options for shipping. Now, as you can see, you have some, placeholder or automatically generated options or variants over here. So you can choose whichever you would like. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you just click save and that variant is going to be added. And that's pretty much all there is to it. There really is nothing more to say. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.